Hey, George and Karen. This Google Doc is like an Excel spreadsheet, and you bookmark it on your browser, and it's called Thriller Miami. In fact, I could call it Thriller Miami ITS, so you realize it's to do with me. And this is a job board that everybody can see and access. And obviously, I can put comments, and you guys put comments, so we're all really organized, get some things done. So, top projects to do with the direct businesses. I think George is saying that he wants to get Zerv going, and I can see why at 3%, and they're answering the phone. It's a no-brainer deal, and they do a very good job. The resellers, Viator, I know a senior person at Viator, and I'm reaching out to them, and I feed the videos to them, and I'm basically saying for all North America, and I'm saying like I'm not giving you guys any more videos until I get this Thriller contract signed. And then after that, we'll get the Get Your Guide one done by filling out the form. The retargeting, if you can give me the password to your website, because we have to put the little tracker on each page so we know which person spent so much time on each page, and if they exceed 3 minutes, then we retarget them. You don't retarget everybody, obviously. With the media for the group business, we're creating a separate website, PDF and video specific, and we're talking to groups. We're not trying to look like an add-on like the current strategy. And for SEO reasons, you want to have a separate website. So if you click on that link, and you can see the website that's basically being put together, but we don't have any information, facts from you guys. We need a list of all the big names that have used your, group business, IBM or whatever, because we're kind of lacking that. And you can see the video here also. We've obviously improved the logo on that, but we need to get some quotes in here and make it branded up like it's a group video. Right now, it's not. And so in order to do that, we just need to have a few quotes and a few names of customers. I think George was mentioning some guy in Orlando. I could even call the guy up, and I'll record the voiceover, and then we can grab snippets out of that and throw it in the video. But before we hire anybody and get the stuff going, we got to have a whole media kit in place. We got to have the database all set up and everything. So when Valerie's mother's having some issues, but it doesn't matter who makes those phone calls. We don't want to hire that person for 1 hour until all the tools are made and we got the database all set up and all the names are in the database, and then they pick up the phone and they're actually being productive. So really all I need from you guys is some names of customers, and maybe that guy in Orlando, ask him if I can call him up, and I'll just ask him some key questions, record the audio. We'll throw that audio over top of the existing video. He's in the video right now. The visuals are kind of nice and everything, but we need to have someone, that says, hey, I'm from, when you're rolling all this footage and stuff, you got music playing. Well, you might as well have a voiceover and saying, yeah, our group was so pleased when they went out and saw the houses and stuff. So when you're watching this video, think of, custom group DMCs talking about what a great time they had on Thriller, and that's what we need to do. So okay, good. So bookmark this. We'll talk to you tomorrow, George. Thanks.